Welcome back to my channel. If you love fish and own an air fryer or thinking of owning an air fryer, you will appreciate this recipe. Hello, this is Armel D from Savourous. I'll be cooking some yummy food today. So if you didn't subscribe to my channel already, please do so. Let's get cooking. This pretty fish that you're looking at right now is called olive barred fish, and that's what we're cooking today. My fish is already clean with scales and the inside removed. Now I'm just seasoning it with lime juice, salt, bouillon, and fish seasoning blend. Now that my fish is well seasoned, I'm placing it on the rack inside the air fryer. My settings on the air fryer is currently at 400° Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. While the fish is cooking, let's start making the toppings. Now let's dice our tomato, onion, chop the green habanero peppers, and the parsley. As always, don't forget to like the video and share. Share. Thank you. Now pour all diced vegetable in a bowl. Ingredients with the measurements are available in the description box. Add lime juice to the mixture, salt, and bouillon powder. I am also adding a little bit of olive oil to the mixture. Microwave the toppings for about 2 minutes. You can also heat the mixture up on the stove. Don't boil it though. The fish is done cooking. Carefully remove it from the air fryer. It is easier to remove the fish from the rack if you have previously oiled the rack. This fish skin is very fragile. I can now style my fish the way I want it. It is always nice to have extra hot sauce on the side. The recipe for the hot pepper paste is also available in the description box. You can now enjoy your fish as is or with your desired side dish. I appreciate that you're watching my video. Thank you so much. Thanks for the support. Don't forget to leave me a comment and I'll be talking to you next time. Bon appétit. Bye bye.